First of all, I want to thank this committee under the leadership of Senator Rizal Ontiveros for inviting me and giving me a chance to clarify things that may have left questions and doubts on me. Before I answer your questions, Your Honors, I would like to emphasize what had really happened before the Bamban Pogo raid last March 13, 2024. Few months before the supposed raid, persistent reports have come to my attention that illegal activities are transpiring in a Pogo hub in Bamban, Tarlac. As the Chief PNP and trained intelligence officer, we conducted case build-up and validated these reports until we were able to come up with a better picture of what is really going on inside the Bamban Pogo hub. Your Honors, barely 17 days before my supposed retirement, on March 31, 2024, after having been extended by the President, pinilit ko po na trabahuin sa tulong ng mga taong nagbigay ng mahalagang impormasyon through prompt interagency coordination with task agencies and other intelligence units, lalong-lalo na po ang ating kasama si Yusek Gilbert Cruz po sa PAOK, we were able to carry out said law enforcement operations successfully. Indeed, that operation played a crucial role in exposing the truth about the Pogos operating in the country, wherein it involves various illicit activities, including the proliferation of illegal drugs, human rights violations, human trafficking, and other criminal acts. Personally, I am happy with what I see in the Senate and even in the Quad Committee hearing in the Congress. The public is becoming increasingly aware of the significant role that illegal Pogo operations play in various criminal activities across the country. At this point, Your Honor, may I clarify the photos of me with some persons of interest that have surfaced during the previous Senate hearing. As with regards to the photo with Mr. Tony Yang, una ko pong nakita at nakilala si Mr. Tony Yang last December 2020 nung ako po ay naging Deputy Regional Director for Administration ng Police Regional Office 10 in Cagayan de Oro City. I met him acting in my capacity as the DRDA in some official and social occasions, him being a member of a local Filipino-Chinese Business Chamber of Commerce. Sumunod po ay nung ako po ay naitalaga bilang Regional Director ng nasabing rehiyon noong November 2021. Masasabi ko po ng aming pag-uusap ay patungkol sa seguridad at peace and order ng rehiyon and to promote conducive business environment. I met him not on personal basis but him representing a business group in Cagayan de Oro City. Honestly, Your Honors, during that time, wala pa akong natanggap na impormasyon patungkol sa warrant of arrest niya o wanted siya sa bansa o maging sa China. As Regional Director and Intelligence Officer, all my dealings with him were purely professional. With regards to the photo with Mayor Dong Kalugay and company, as to my association with Mayor Kalugay, if I remember it correctly, Your Honor, I first met him when I was assigned with the Directorate for Intelligence sometime in August 2022. He was inviting me then to be their guest of honor and speaker for their incoming town fiesta in Sual, of which I respectfully declined. Dati po kasi akong Chief of Police ng Bayan ng Sual sometime in 1995 when I was still a young lieutenant. Until my appointment as the 29th Chief of the Philippine National Police last April 24, 2023, Your Honors, for the first few months after having been appointed as the new Chief PNP, several personalities such as businessmen, local politicians whom I have formerly met, former colleagues and friends have visited me to extend their felicitations. In this case, I presume that he called my office and sought for a courtesy call visit which he had secured. As to his entourage during the visit, I have no personal knowledge whom he was tagging along with. Based on my recollection, the photo that was shown was taken last May 6, 2023, barely 2 weeks after my appointment. And as I recall, marami po akong bisita during that time, hindi lang po ang grupo ni Mayor Kalugay. I hope this explanation clarifies any misunderstanding and dispels any doubts regarding my character. And Your Honors, once again, thank you very much for this opportunity. If there are other questions that needs to be clarified, I am ready to answer them, Your Honor.
Madam Chair, if I may.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore. But before I call the SP Pro Tempore, una po, former Chief PNP Acorda, before my follow-up question sa inyong statement, at least importante po na ibinalita nyo sa aming komite yung naging papel nyo, leadership and approval of that successful raid in the Bamban Tarlac Pogo Hub. Dahil hindi po yon naunang lumabas dito sa aming pagdinig at para sa kaalaman ng ating publiko. Importante po yun at salamat po sa impormasyong iyon. So for follow-up questions, I'll call first the SP Pro Tempore.
Sa sinabi ni Senator Risa, I would like to commend the former Chief PNP for initiating the second raid during his tenure as Chief PNP dito sa Bamban, together with the assistance of the PAOK-TF. Am I correct? All right. General Acorda, how long did you know Mr. Tony Yang? At ano talaga ang pagkatao nito?
Your Honors, as I stated, una ko siya nakilala nung naging DRD ako, and yung pagkatao niya po, I've heard about his relationship, about his brothers, and sa negosyo po, dun sa Cagayan de Oro, I understand marami po siyang negosyo doon. Kasama na po yung pagpaparating po ng bigas po, Your Honor.
Pagpaparating ng bigas, pag-smuggle?
Well, whether it's smuggled or not, Your Honor, I cannot qualify that. Maybe it's up for the...
All right. How did he seek an appointment to your office?
Usually, Your Honor, when I was in Region 10, we have direct contact because I gave him my calling card, and sometimes through my staff, but it's not that frequent, Your Honor. Kumbaga, nagkakataon lang pag may mga pag-uusapan, especially when there are activities in the camp or yung mga gift-giving operations namin, Your Honor.
So, yung litrato niyo ni Mayor Kalugay, paano ka na-contact ni Mayor Kalugay? Paano siya nakarating sa office mo when you were then the Chief PNP?
The same way, Your Honor, kasi may gate po kami doon. Usually, pag may papasok po sa aking quarters or sa White House, dadaan po sa gate and itatawag sa gate, i-clarify po may
Ibig sabihin,
appointment.
wala siyang appointment nung pumunta siya sa inyo? Ikaw ng Chief PNP noon, dapat may appointment bago makipagkita sa inyo.
Your Honor,
Unless if it is really very important.
Your Honor, I cannot exactly recall kung talagang naka-appoint yun or hindi, but usually when he visits me, ganun po ang proseso. Idadaan sa gwardiya, itatawag kung pwedeng makapag-seek ng appointment. Because as I recall, Your Honor, during the time when I was the Chief PNP, talagang maraming bisita, and nagiging extension na rin po yung official residence ko as part of my office.
So matagal mo nang kilala si Mayor Kalugay?
Since I became the director for intelligence, Your Honor.
Nakikita mo si Mayor Alice doon sa Sual?
I never went to Sual during his term as mayor, Your Honor. And
ano narinig mo sa kanilang dalawa? Meron ka ba narinig?
Aside from the vlog, Your Honor, wala na po kung personal knowledge, Your Honor.
Wala na talaga. Anyway, Gerald Villanueva, if I may. Gerald Villanueva. All right, you mentioned before during the previous hearing that there is a Chief PNP that was involved in the escape of Alice Go. And of course, si Senator Bato already questioned you about it. At hindi naman si Senator Bato yon. Now, General Acorda is a former chief PNP. Is he the one involved?
Actually, sir, Your Honor, I already clarified this in the past two sessions that I do not even have a name. I don't have a name. So even if I have a name and I don't have any confirmation, I won't divulge it here, sir.
You would not?
Divulge it if I'm not sure it's confirmed. Confirmed, sir.
Why
Your
did you
Honor.
give that kind of
That's why-
statement?
I said, sir, I dismiss it as rumor only, sir.
Yeah, are you spreading rumors here in this committee? Why did you have to
No, sir.
say that statement?
That's
that,
why
that there is a,
that's why-
let me finish.
Yes, sir.
Let me finish. That there is a former chief PNP that helped the escape of Alice Go. Then the next day you retracted it.
Even on the first, the previous hearings, even from the very start, I did not say that the former chief PNP helped Alice Go escape. It's not in the. I never even said that it's a confirmed or something. Even from the very start, I dismiss it as rumor, sir.
In this picture, you were side by side together with that. May I know what event was this?
General Acorda.
Yes, sure, Madam Chair. That is the only opportunity that I was able to meet personally.
First time?
Yes, Your Honor. And in that activity, it was the police service anniversary of Region 3, wherein I was the guest of honor of Region 3. And Mayor Alice Go was one of the awardee. But may I emphasize, Your Honor, that the deliberation for the selection of the awardees is not at the national headquarters level, but at the level
You
of,
were not
uh,
part or instrumental in deliberating the award given to then Mayor Alice Go. Am I
yes, Your
correct?
Honor. And because of that also, in our planning with USEC Gilbert Cruz, we decided that we will not use Region 3, but instead we use Region 1 and Cordillera during the operation, Your Honor.
All right. All right. One last question, General Corda. When you raided the Bamban Pogo Hub, bakit hindi mo ginamit yung yung CIDG Region 3? Why did you utilize yung CIDG NCR? Why not Region 3? Kasi Region 3 covers Pampanga. Am I correct?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. It's just a precaution on my part, not because I don't trust yung Region 3, but because of the massive requirement of police officers to be deployed. Nag-precaution lang po kami na konti ang magiging commotion during the operation,
So
Your
was
Honor.
the raid successful? What have you retrieved during the raid?
We extracted some data and also may mga na-rescue po tayo, Your Honor. And I think to my appreciation, we can consider it as a successful
Very
operation.
successful.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that
Your
is additional feather in your cap.
May I be allowed, sir, to correct something because I think I mentioned earlier that we were assisted by PAOK. It will be an understatement, Your Honor. In fact, Yusek Gilbert Cruz talagang siyang nagsumikap din. Talagang grabe yung coordination namin,
So
Your
meron
Honor.
kayong talaga coordination si Yusek Gilbert.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alam mo, matagal ko nakilala si Yusek Gilbert. Naging chief of police ko pa sa San Juan yan. No, mayor ko. Matinong tao yan. Yun lang, Madam Chair. Thank you.